Happy video day, guys. So today's video is going to be a new video for my channel. Now, if you guys like this video, I hope you guys like this video because I would love to turn this into a series. Please let me know below if you guys want to see me continue to do this once a month or so, if you guys like it. So today's video is going to be an eyeshadow palette spotlight, and we're going to be spotlighting the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you guys 3 different eye looks that I have created over the past few weeks. Give you guys a few little details. This is not a review video. This is a spotlight video. So if you guys want to see everything about the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini, let's go ahead and let's get right into it. So I have to admit to you guys, this palette right here is pretty bomb. I bought this palette just wanting to try Juvia's Place. If you guys haven't seen my first impression, I also have probably a review follow-up. This is a spotlight of this little guy right here, and also a quick tutorials for you guys to have ideas of looks that you can create if you did purchase this palette. I have used every single color in this palette. I love this palette. It is absolutely stunning. If you guys want a palette that will give you a punch and it will literally perform like right when you put it on your eyes, this is the palette you want. There is no building up that needs to happen with this palette. It is so pigmented. Love that you can create neutral eye looks, but you can also jump into the colors. This is a phenomenal palette, so we're going to be spotlighting this guy today. So you guys can purchase this at Ulta, and I will put the information right here of how much it costs and all that good stuff. So in this palette, you get the color Chi, which is a metallic royal blue with purple undertone. The color Mali, which is a metallic teal. Dahlia, which is a metallic electric blue. You also get Zola, which is a metallic aqua. And then in row 2, you get Makeda, which is a shimmer purple. Zobo, which is a matte purple maroon. Calabar, which is a metallic pinkish bronze. Bori, which is a matte fuchsia and gold reflex. Then in row 3, you get Giza, which is a shimmery ivory white. You get Burkina, which is a matte coffee brown. Cairo, which is a matte cinnamon brown with gold reflex. Ada, which is a matte spice brown. And then lastly, in row 4, you get Dahlia, which is a shimmer pinkish champagne. Zulu, which is a matte brunette brown. Casablanca, which is a metallic amber gold, and Fulana, which is a matte. So I've had this palette for a while already, so I've already created a bunch of fun looks. So these are going to be 3 Instagram style tutorials, less than 1 minute, showing you how to create some really fun looks with the Juvia's Place palette. So let's go ahead and get into look 1, 2, and 3. like those short little fun condensed tutorials. If you guys do like them, follow me on Instagram at the GLAMRANCH. I do post a bunch of these fun little tutorials all the time on there. I thought it would be really fun to see them all together and focusing on one palette. I did want to focus on creating colorful and neutral looks, so I hope you guys really enjoyed that. For the most part, what I have to tell you guys is if you guys are looking at the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini, I think it is so worth it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget, leave me your comments below. Let me know how much you liked it. Give me your thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.